It's cool, rich, creamy, and delicious. If you've ever had the fortune to visit the Hawaiian Islands and tried a local plate lunch, then you already know how incredibly well this little side dish pairs with whatever you may have ordered. And if you haven't had the fortune, well, consider this your lucky day, because we're plating up Hawaiian Mac Salad. Aloha, I'm John, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an authentic Hawaiian Mac Salad to perfectly complement your ultimate plate lunch, or just impress the gang at the next cookout. Now, I'm just a normal guy who lived in Hawaii for 10 years, but I've seen things, terrible things, on the internet. I've seen a statistically improbable number of websites and cooking videos all claiming to have the secret to an authentic Mac Salad, only to be sharing the same terrible recipe. Now, I'm not saying AI is behind it, but I'm not saying it isn't either. Either way, I'm going to show you how to make this classic Hawaiian side dish. You won't need any extra vinegar, you won't need any extra sugar, and you certainly won't need milk. Follow this recipe, and I'll have you representing the 808 no matter what state you call home. Now, this recipe and this dish is likely to offend a great number of Italians and cardiologists, and especially Italian cardiologists, because we are going to boil the absolute hell out of some elbow macaroni and then use just a little more mayo than is medically advisable. But in this particular case, these two terrible wrongs make it oh so right. And I'll reveal a couple of restaurant tricks that make your Mac Salad stand out from the rest. In full disclosure, I'm only going to make a half batch for this video demonstration, but you can find the entire recipe and the measurements in the description box below. First, we need to boil 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. Set a pot of water over high heat. Once it starts boiling, add a teaspoon of salt and then your pasta. Make sure you stir it gently so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Remember, you're going for well past the point of al dente or recommended cooking times. Every pasta is different, so I can't give you an exact time, but expect around 4 to 5 minutes past the recommended cooking time. You really want this macaroni to be soft, where teeth are optional. Mi dispiace, Italia. While the pasta is boiling, let's go over the ingredients you're going to need for your mayo dressing. First, you're going to need a scant 2 cups of mayonnaise. Listen, I know it sounds like a lot, but Hawaiian Mac Salad is thick, much like my friend Kimo's pidgin accent. Now, I'm not going to tell you which is the best mayo to use or which one will have your Hawaiian friend saying, hell man, this is totally authentic, because frankly, most restaurants in Hawaii are probably using a commercial heavy mayonnaise, which I don't have, and more than likely you don't either, which is fine. Just use whatever mayonnaise you have and prefer. Just use a lot of it. Add an ounce of grated carrots, add a teaspoon of salt, then add about half a teaspoon of grated white pepper or black pepper if that's all you have. And optionally add 1 teaspoon of grated onions. And technically, that's it. But here's the little secret. Most Hawaiian restaurants are adding a little something extra to really make their Mac Salad stand out. And that little something is what I like to call magical seasoning goodness, or MSG. So add a 1/4 teaspoon of MSG to your mayo mixture. And some places have even started adding canned tuna to their Hawaiian Mac Salad. Now, I don't generally add tuna to my Hawaiian Mac Salad, but I'm doing so for demonstration purposes. You only need about a teaspoon, and I recommend canned tuna that's in water versus oil. Yeah, as if somehow that's going to make it more healthy, but just add your tuna to the bowl. You really want to break that tuna up as much as you possibly can. You really want that tuna to be barely noticeable, which is why most people actually don't notice it. So I'm just pressing it against the side of the bowl and smashing it down, and then just stir everything together, mix well and combine. Now you just want to cover this, let it hang out in the fridge, allow its flavors to develop while we wait for the pasta to finish cooking. Speaking of our pasta, this has been cooking 5 minutes past its recommended cooking time, so it's way past the point of al dente, offending Italians everywhere. You want to make sure it's soft and plump, that it's increased in size quite substantially, and again, try a piece of pasta and make sure it's tender to the tooth. For comparison, here's a cooked piece of pasta next to its original dry form. You can see it's at least doubled. Once your pasta is finished cooking, drain and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. You really want to try to remove as much excess starch as possible. I usually just let mine sit in some cold water for a couple minutes. Drain your pasta, set it aside and allow it to dry. Once the pasta is sufficiently dry, gently fold it into your mayonnaise mixture. When you're done, cover in plastic wrap. Now, you want to store this in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours, but overnight is best.
24 hours later.
Before serving, take the Mac salad out of the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for about half an hour. Now's the time to adjust for seasoning and to add more mayo if you want it creamier. Mi dispiace, Italian cardiologist. I think it's perfect, so I think we're pal. And you know what time it is. And there you have it, Hawaiian Mac Salad for your perfect plate lunch or your next summer cookout. It's cool, rich, and surprisingly refreshing. Seriously, you could pair it with a rubber tire. It's that good. And I hope you give it a try. If you made it this far in the video, thank you and mahalo. As always, I hope you liked the video and more importantly, this recipe. If you did, I hope you'll give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Until next time, eat well and be well. And as always, here's to wishing you many more memorable food adventures ahead of you. My Italian cardiologist is not going to like this.